Good afternoon, Bina.
Good afternoon, Teacher Sam.
So, you know why I'm taking videos, right?
Yes.
Because you have already twice absences. So, we really need to know why are you or why did you absent that particular date? Ano absent ka to?
Wala ko ka-voucher na kanang naninduhan siya ni Teacher Sheila Glassy.
Kaya katong kuan morning no kay holiday. And then the other one. So natoy duha ka absent dito sa imong attendance. So we just really want you to know that it's not allowed to have thrice absences. So twice is warning, and then the next absent will be ground to elimination. Matantang, diba? You know it already. So just remember that we only have at least 2 absences, or like it should be perfect attendance, but if you have if there's unseen circumstances and then you absent, at least you do twice lang. Because if it will already be 3 absences, you're ground to termination. So you understand the rules, right?
Yes.
So at least you know na only 2 absences are ground already for taking videos, for you to be aware, and to our subscribers and to all spanners. So Bina, I hope this is a lesson to you na dili mag-absent, okay?
Yes.
Alright, so bye bye for now, Bina.
Bye, Teacher.